What's up, boys? We're back in the Accord. It's loud as shit in here because, as I said, I think in the previous video, I have a big bubble in the tire in the rear, so it shakes a lot. And then I have no real other summer tires for it. I thought the ones from the Lancer would fit this, but they didn't. Turns out that car is 4x100 and not by 4x114-3. So I cannot actually use them on this one, which was my original plan, because the summer tires that it came on got delaminated at the track day and are really bad, so I can't drive on those either. But hopefully we will make it today. The tires haven't blown out yet, so I'm pretty satisfied. Leo's driving here in front. We got a new car today. So I got the VW Caddy MK1. So oldest VW pickup truck, very small. But yeah, today we're going to basically an abandoned airfield, and we were supposed to both drive our supermotos there. I've been looking forward to this a lot, and that's kind of why I've been practicing wheelies so much. I haven't put up a motor vlog for a bit of time. I really haven't just gotten to filming it, but I fixed my bike again. The problem is that two guys just came by the shop and I was wheeling Leo's moped, and the rear brake, the wire got stuck to the chain and broke it off. So I basically sent myself right into the moped, and I think I've either broken or I have cracks in my ribs. I've been at home for a couple of days, but it's feeling much better now. But I have either some cracks or some broken ribs, or like a really big bruise. There's no real reason to go into the hospital and check though, because they can't do anything about it. But right now it's kind of okay-ish. I got my mobility back and I can speak without it hurting too much, so that's nice. So hopefully this will get better soon. Like right now I can't work on any cars, I can't drive my supermoto. I just basically learned how to drive again, so that's nice. I could before, but I couldn't get the car into fifth because that hurt too much. So yeah, my ribs are fucked and I basically can't do shit. But I thought I would come with Leo to this place, check it out. There's a lot of guys coming here to ride their bikes. Gonna see some dank wheelies, and I thought I would just come to the place, hang out, maybe film. There's a bunch of stunt riders and yeah, just people having a lot of fun on bikes there. I've never been to this place and I don't really know what to expect, but I brought all my camera gear and the drone and everything. So hopefully we'll hang out, have a good time, get some nice footage. You really underestimate how much you use your ribs before you break them, but you can't do almost anything without using your ribs. It really sucks. But let's go.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the Ville and I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch and she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard my deep stroke, she said, babe, does it hurt when I deep throat? Certified freak hoe, hang around us and she learning my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my freak though. Goddamn, spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes ma'am, she a little freak on cam, but she don't put this on the ground. Little boys try to diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fan. Shit's hot, hit the switch on the fan. This where my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice for people that never could stare at reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't involved and it's very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing the section. Gotta cherish the present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packed in. I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
Off of the gram. Bitches love the gram.
Oh, wait, shit.
Roxanne, Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne, never gonna love me, but it's alright. She think I'm an asshole, she think I'm a player. She keep running back though, only cause I pay her. Roxanne, Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Met her at a party in the hills, yeah. She just wanna do it for the thrill, yeah. Shorty drop a poodle with no top. But if I throw this money, she gon' drop. Ay. She don't wait in lines if it's too long. She don't drive the whip unless the roof fall. Only wanna call when the cash out. Only take the pic when the ass out. She from Malibu, Malibu. If you ain't got a foreign, then she laugh at you. Malibu, Malibu. Spending daddy's money with an attitude. Roxanne, Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne, never gonna love me, but it's alright. She think I'm an asshole, she think I'm a player. She keep running back though, only cause I pay her. Roxanne, Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night.
I just wanna have fun.
In LA, yeah, got no brakes, yeah. Living fast, Ricky Bobby shaking bait, yeah. See the chain, yeah, it's a late, yeah. Swipe the chase, ooh, now she wanna date, yeah. Straight and no blue, on the coast, ooh. Shorty only like cocaine and Whole Foods, yeah. Snapping all up on the grandmas, going crazy. Now she wanna fuck me in the foreign, going, ayy. Up in Malibu, Malibu. If you ain't got a foreign, then she laugh at you. Malibu, Malibu. Spending daddy's money with an attitude. Roxanne, Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne, never gonna love me, but it's alright. She think I'm an asshole, she think I'm a player. She keep running back though, only cause I pay her. Roxanne, Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Cash up, get rich quick, big bag, yeah, I'm cashed up. Ice on my neck, that's incoming. I'm a pretty boy, I'm stunning. Super speed Sonic, I'm running. Super speed Sonic, I'm running. Call me Big Papa, I'm Sonic. I spot the dick when she want it. I'm a bad boy, make lovin'. I'm a bad boy, make lovin'. I'm a bad boy like Puffy, sucking on my neck like Buffy. I'm a British but I had to go duppy. Fall asleep in that pussy like a cubby. 90s pimp, 2000 pimp, Mercedes drip, CLS. They just guessing, I ain't convinced. She got a peach on her but she ain't a princess. Whoa, used to be a hot boy but I'm straight gorgeous now. Whoa, if you wanna see me you gon' have to book an appointment now. Whoa, baby call me stone cold cause I'm so stunning. Whoa, I smell like fresh cookies at the oven and some money. Ice on my neck, that's incoming. I'm a pretty boy, I'm stunning. Super speed Sonic, I'm running. Super speed Sonic, I'm running. Call me Big Papa, I'm Sonic. I spot the dick when she want it. I'm a bad boy, make lovin'. I'm a bad boy, make lovin'.
Själv har jag inte gjort någonting. Jag bara... Oh yes.
Fan. Kvalitet. Där var soppan. That's how much they care.
So, I'm at home now again. Man, that was a blast. That was my first time going there. I had so much fun. Met so many new great people. I won't name any names and no one is forgotten. And also got some really good practice in with the Supermoto. Feels really great. Feels really nice. But yeah, that's about it. If you were there but didn't catch yourself in the video, I tried to film everyone, but it's kind of hard to film so much, you know. I had so much material for this, so I have not used like even a third of it, just because I wanted a really banging ass video. And I hoped you really liked it. If you did, leave a thumbs up. If you thought it was shit, leave a thumbs down, but I don't think that is humanly possible really. If you want to check out my Instagram, you can do that down below. Also, if you want to check out my Patreon page and support me further in what I do. I won't be able to link all of the riders' Instagram here because it would be so full and I probably would forget someone. But if you're looking for someone's Instagram, you can just write a comment and I'll try to get you the info, my guys. But yeah, that's about it. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I had a ton of fun. And thank you to everyone who participated. It was a really nice week. Anyway, I'm off now. So I just want to wish you all a great day. Have a nice day. That's all for me. Bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my